Hi guys, Vacuum Collector 83 here. I'm going to do a video on my Hoover Turbopower 2 1000, picking up a load of dog hair basically. I did a test before this, it's Dyson DC4 mega test on this. Well, I'm doing it on this, and I think this has got a better chance than the Dyson because of its bigger brush roll, because it's not so narrow like the DC4 is. It has got a bag in it, and I can empty the bag because it's a reusable one. So I'm just going to get to the test and get back up, basically come back on when it's on the floor. Well, I said last time. Right guys, I'm back. I've put all of this down on the floor. This time I've not put the glass down. I picked them out. It's very, very fluffy. I push it to the ground, so I walk around on it for a little while, give it a kick around and try and spread it out everywhere because there's loads. I've got the Hoover plugged in and the bag is empty. I can't really change the power on this because it's an auto sense. It goes on when it needs to go on a high level basically. It's on the bottom floor setting, so short pile. So let's get to this, and I will change the bag in a couple of minutes. I don't know if it's full or not because that doesn't work. Don't know if it's full, so I have to just check it. Right, let's get started. Right, so with the Hoover, it's not picking up properly because it's basically pushing the hair back. So I'm going to quickly check the brush roll. Yeah, that's not blocked. So let's have a look at the bag. Not really that full. It's picked up something, but not a lot. Ooh, I might try to put this back in. Must be a nuisance. There we go. Right, as you heard, I turned onto the boost and it sounds horrible. Completely horrible. So I'm not even going to try about it. Think about it, neither. But it's going to be on the low carpet. Just going to see what I can pick up. And the rest I have to pick up with my air, the Vax air cordless. So let's get to it. Right guys, I've given up using that. It is not picking up at all. I'm going to pick it up with the hose, so then I'm actually using this. But it is not picking up anything. It's just pushing the hair around. It's not blocked. And the bag is got literally around about that much fur in it. So I'm just going to use the hose because it's pissing me off. So let's just get this over and done with. I'm not going to use a crevice tool. That can stay there. Right, so I cleaned up the hair on the floor. I've left some dirt down to see if it's going to actually pick it up. Let's see how full the bag is. The bag's fairly full now, so quickly have a undo and give it a tap down. Yep, it's fairly full. Not full to the maximum it can be full to. So it's not like a block. So I'll try and pick it up normally now. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to have to use the Vax cordless because obviously it could not handle this dirt test, but something that was a bit younger than it can. This hasn't got the most suction. It's not the best condition, but it's something. Let's try it again then. The hoover has failed, it's spitting out dirt behind it. So I'm going to pause this and come back with the Vax Air cordless. Right guys, so I'm back and I've got the Vax Air cordless. The bin is empty. So I'm going to pick up what that thing did not. Right, so I've just finished cleaning up with the vac, so cordless, and it's picked up this much. So I'll empty it into this bin, which is empty. There's loads of dirt caked inside of it. This is what that hoover could not pick up. So now let's empty the hoover's bag into the actual bin. So I'll just put this in here. Oops, that can stay there for the moment. Right, so I'll empty the hoover's bag. So I'll put this down here. Okay, picked up basically all of this. It picked up with the hose. It picked up barely nothing with the floor head, so I can't really say it did well. So I think that this failed. It does have a bit of power, but not the best. It picks up, it would have picked up in the old days, very good for people, because it was a newer vacuum, but now it's not. These old ones are competing against new Dysons and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to have to say this failed at picking up the mega test. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment for more. Bye.